Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. You're actually on the right channel. In case you are entering and you saw an advert, please maybe you should just go out and comment again so that you play that advert and I allow you to play. Please try to watch my advert so that some coins will drop in your baby girl's account, okay? Because my brother called me earlier this week, like on Tuesday. My brother called me and was like, I saw you uploaded a video and I was about to watch that video and I saw advert. I had to go out of the video, type your name on the search engine, and I now came back again. I'm like, where is advert coming from? I'm like, boy, I'm monetized. Your sister is monetized on YouTube. Like, you start seeing adverts, so you have to be playing the adverts. You cannot just be going out and not play the adverts. So really, if you see adverts and you did not play it, you are surprised, like, am I on the right channel? Yes, so you're on the right channel. This is Talk to Temi. Hello guys, my name is Temi Tokwe. I just said, okay, it's time for rebranding.
Let's rebrand. Let's rebrand.
So I rebranded and now my name is Temitope Ogoremi on this channel. So if you're searching for Talk to Temi for now, you will still get Temitope Ogoremi. So don't be surprised in case you search for Talk to Temi and Temitope Ogoremi comes out. It's still the same person, okay? How you guys doing? Guys, you can see that I'm all glammed up. In case you're just joining us for the first time, in case this is your first time of seeing this face, this is not my original face, but this is my celebration face actually. This is not my original. If you want to really see my original face, just go down my video. You will see my real face, okay? My real face. This is my celebration face and like the excitement kind of face. So on Monday, we got monetized, like our shiny, got monetized on Monday, and I posted in my community and a lot of you congratulated me. Thank you so much. And if you are just joining us, like this is the first time you are seeing my face, I know you joined us during the course of this past few weeks and you've not really seen the person behind all those posts. This is me. This is my face. It's my face, okay? It's my face insane, okay? So don't be surprised. As I don't know, I'm just excited. Guys, this video is just going to be everywhere. So I got money. Thank you so much, and this video is just to say thank you and to appreciate you guys. It's a celebration video because I don't even know what I want to say in this video, but I know God will just inspire me and I will say whatever I have to say because I am so excited. I am so excited, okay? So guys, I cannot be excited if you did not watch my video. I cannot be excited if you did not subscribe to my channel. Like, this video is like 2 in 1. I got monetized on Monday, and yesterday, Thursday, I got my 2,000. I clocked my 2,000 subscriber on this channel. Like seriously, I know 2,000 is small for some people. Yeah, 2,000 is small, but for me, 2,000 is a big thing for me. Like seriously, if somebody would tell me that today I'm going to be celebrating my 2,000K, I would be like, really? Because seriously, it looks as if it was never gonna happen. It was looking as if it's going to take more time for it to happen. So I really do appreciate you guys. I want to say thank you to every one of you. Like, you don't know how much I appreciate you. You don't know how much I love you. I really wish I could even call your name one after the other. All my 2,000 plus subscribers, like, I should call your name and start saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, that is the way I feel right now. That's the way you make me feel right now. I really do appreciate you. Like, you make me feel so important. You make me feel so loved. You make me so feel like, okay, Temitope, you're trying. Just keep doing it. So just keep doing what you're doing. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. Like, that is the motivation I get from you, and I really do appreciate that. I don't really take that for granted. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. I appreciate you, and I love you so much. Like, I love you. It's not easy to have 2,000 community. Like, we are building an empire and you guys are part of it, and you guys are actually part of my success on YouTube. I really want to appreciate every one of you, like every one of you. Thank you so much. Having said that, let me just say happy celebration to all my Muslim subscribers. Also, today is 31st and today is your Ileya celebration. Happy celebration to you, and I pray that Asheyashi Amodu will increase in knowledge, will increase in wisdom, will increase in all areas of life by this time next year celebration. Inshallah. Amen. Okay, so having said that, let me just take you down the lane to last year, August 20 something, like 24th. I can't really remember the first day I uploaded my first video. That was when I started YouTube channel, and I actually got my 100 subscriber. Like in less than a week, I got my 100 subscriber. I can remember me saying in 1 week I had gotten more than 100 subscriber then, and after some in December, I think in December I clocked 300. So that was like in August. I started in August, September, October, November, December. In 4 months I got my 300, which I was really grateful for. I was really happy that really 300. Yeah, I was really happy about that. And since then I've been growing steadily, and it got stuck on me when it was earlier this month or sometimes last month. I'm like, wait, Temitope, you are almost a year on this channel and you've not gotten your 1,000 subscriber. Really? You don't want to get monetization? You don't want to get monetized? I'm like, I want to get monetized, but even if I get my 1,000 subscriber, where am I going to get 4,000 watch hours? Where? How? With this my 20 views, 100 views, and how many views in 1 week? 4,000 hours. Okay. I was like, okay, no problem. So I said, okay, let me put in more effort. Don't let me just sit down and be looking and be saying, okay, I cannot get it. There is nothing that cannot be done if God is involved. You know, God got to be involved before things will be done. So I talked to God. I was like, God, it was not my wish to start YouTube channel. I don't know how I started. You just made me start YouTube channel. Like, I was just talking to my friend. My friend said, "Chapa, you can start YouTube." I'm like, me, YouTube channel? Like, how will it happen? What will I say on YouTube? What will I be doing on YouTube? And I started my YouTube channel. Like, I started. And yeah, I just told God that, God, it is you that made me start my YouTube channel, okay? Even though somebody motivated me, but if not you, I will not start. The person will just be saying what he has to say, and I will not still start. So please make this happen. Like, just make it happen before 1 year, because you have to get your 1,000 subscriber, and you have to get your 1,000 subscriber and your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube before you can get monetization. And I was still crawling on 800 as at that time. So I was like, okay, no problem. So I called my YouTube friend, thanks to Tenny below. I had to contact her, like, girl, how did you do it? What did you do? And she told me that I have to start some things that I am not doing. I need to start doing it. I need to start paying attention to all those things. I'm like, okay, I will start my best. I will try my best. So I started putting effort. I started doing it, even though it was not really convenient, because YouTube is not like my full-time job. I am a teacher, so I teach from morning till afternoon. Like, sitting down to do a video sometimes can be so difficult because I live in an environment where there is a lot of noise, so I have to wait for the noise to calm down and all that, you know. So it was not really easy, but I still did what she asked me to do. And one way or the other, like, I have tried a lot of things on this channel. Like, you can see a bit of yourself on my channel. Like, what are you looking for on my channel that you will not see? I don't know. The only thing I have not tried is fashion. It is fashion I have not tried on this channel. Earlier this year in January, I actually started cooking, because some people actually requested for what I eat in Ecuador and how I make my food, how I get ingredients. So I started cooking on my channel in January. But that means on YouTube, seriously, you don't have to sit down on a niche. So I started cooking in January, and after then, just some weeks ago, I don't know, I just posted a news, and this news YouTube just picked this news and say, yeah, Tope, this is the news we want to use and make you known on YouTube. And this news actually got me whooping 1,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, this particular news gave me 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, that's why I said this might be the first time you are seeing my face. I say welcome. I appreciate you. I love you. I really love you. You made this dream come true. This is like a dream come true for me. I don't even like, I thought it was just 1,000 I was going to have, and God said you're not going to have 1,000 alone before your 1 year expire. You're going to have more than 1,000. Yeah, I'm going to increase you, and He's still increasing me. He has not stopped yet. So I am not giving up on God. If God has not given up on me, what am I to give up on Him? So guys, I want to say thank you. Like, what am I saying? Hope I'm making sense. Okay, so that is just the journey on YouTube. Now, my advice to young YouTubers, like if you just started YouTube, please don't conjure drew let that alone. Don't be too in a rush. Some people start YouTube and in 3 months they get their 1,000 subscribers, they get monetized and all that. Yeah, and I must tell you, one video out of your video is the one might be the one to monetize you. One video, I must tell you, one video out of your videos might be the one to monetize you. So don't get it twisted. Keep doing what you're doing. Grow steady. It's actually nice to grow steadily, and it's nice to actually grow genuinely, because people that genuinely want you will want you. Okay, so having said that, it is actually okay to change your niche at any given time if you really want to change your niche. So saying that, if you want any videos, if there is any video you really want me to do on this channel, let me know at the comment section. Just drop it at the comment section that, okay girl, I want you to do this video, want you to do this video. I'm going to actually do the video for you. I'm ready to like diversify on this channel. This channel is just a bit of everything in a whole. You must come to this channel and find your beat. Like, you must find one or two videos that you will like on this channel. Okay, so I think before we start saying what we are not supposed to be saying, because the excitement is still in the body, it's still in the body. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the support all the way. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Like 2,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, there was a little change on my channel. I changed my name from Talk to Temi to Temitope Grammy. So that is still my channel. Temitope Grammy is still my channel. Okay, till I see you in my next video, let me know the kind of video you want me to do at the comment section, and I'm going to give it to you. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.